Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Utaba channel. Today we are going to draw and color an apple. So friends, let's get begin. Firstly, we are going to draw the structure of apple. So friends, take the pencil and the paper and draw according to me. Now it's time to draw the two cute little eyes. Here I am making the cheeks of an apple and a smiley mouth. Now friends, it's time to draw the leaf of an apple. So draw according to me. Yeah, we are done with the diagram of an apple. So it's time to color. First, I take yellow color. Friends, here I divided an apple with 4 colors. First, I take yellow. For the second, I will take light green. Now here I take light green color, which is similar to the yellow one. For the third color I'm going to take is orange. Yes, friends, orange. I am combining the 4 colors to make beautiful apple. Now it's time to take the last color of an apple, that is red. You can also color with the single color, that is red, or you can color with yellow, or you can color with green, because we have 3 kinds of apple in market. That is yellow, green, and the juicy one is red. After coloring these 4 colors, now I'm going to merge these colors together. Friends, you can do same as what I am doing here to merge the colors. I dip the brush in water and then I'm going to merge these colors together to make the beautiful color of an apple. Friends, as we know that if we take an apple a day, it will keep us from the doctor away. Apple is a very healthy fruit. It makes us to get rid from the illness. That's why we must hear that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. all color mix perfectly. Now I take brown color to color the stamp of an apple. After coloring the stamp, it's time to color the leaf. I take two shades of green here. First, I take dark green. Now it's time to color the cheeks of an apple. The two little cute cheeks. Yes. After coloring the cheeks, now I take the second color for the leaf, that is light green. Yes, it will make the beautiful shade. Now friends, it's time to make the diagram more vibrant and beautiful. That's why I take black marker to make the diagram more beautiful. Wow! The apple looks so delicious. Friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is Utaba signing off. Till then, take care. Bye bye.